Hello, good afternoon. I am Dr. Shilpa Nayak. I am a pediatrician with a special interest in asthma and allergy related disorders. Asthma is the major cause of school absenteeism and hospital admission in children between 5 to 18 years of age. Over 6 million children all over the world are suffering from asthma. So today I am going to talk about childhood asthma. Common symptoms of asthma are recurrent cough, recurrent wheeze, breathlessness, chest tightness, cold that is straight go to the chest, and night cough. So if your child is suffering from any of these symptoms, you should visit your physician for asthma evaluation. So what causes asthma? Asthma caused due to the swelling of the lining of the airway in response to inhalation of the indoor and outdoor allergens. For example, dust mites, pollen, molds, animal dander and insects, for example cockroaches. In case of acute asthma attack, the muscle surrounding the airway gets tightened and less air pass through the lungs. The physician can help you by conducting different tests, for example spirometry or lung function testing if your child is 5 years and above and cooperative. Allergy testing is done to identify the specific allergen that your child is allergic to, and later allergen avoidance help in reducing the frequency and severity of the asthma symptoms. Doctor may advise some blood test or X-ray chest if indicated. So asthma management includes allergen avoidance, in which the allergen that has been diagnosed by allergic prick testing should be avoided completely. Pharmacotherapy includes the preventer medicines and the rescuer medicine. Preventer medicine are given for the long-term management of asthma, whereas rescuer medicine are prescribed at the time of acute attack. Beside this, your doctor will give you asthma action plan and peak flow meter to monitor your symptoms. Reduction of stress, breathing exercises indirectly help in asthma management. So with the proper care and medications, your child can live a normal and healthy life. For more information, you can contact me via librate.com.